Hello and welcome. Right, yeah. This is a canvas that I've just scraped. I normally don't show you this if I do this, but I thought I'm going to try something different with the paint that I've scraped off this canvas. It's a 40 by 50. I'm going to attempt to not waste that paint there. I'm going to try and use it for my background of something else I want to try on the canvas. So it's got all the lovely blues in it. So I thought reuse. So might be a little bit dark for what I want, but you know what? I'm just going to try it because the worst comes to it and you just scrape it off. So I have so many people saying, oh, I have to scrape so much paint off canvas and start again. Well, let's hope that this does turn into something that's worthwhile. But if not, it's given you the experience and the joy of just being out in your art room or on your table or in your bedroom or in your garage, wherever you do your art, to further push your skills just push your skills to try more. So that's just covering my canvas. So this is going to kind of be, it's looking to me, it's going to kind of evolve on its own, I think. So this to me is looking like a stormy sky. So I'm going to add some bits for my background where I think. So I'm going to kind of make this a sky. I'm going to add some yellow because I want it a sun. So I'm going to add that there. I want a bit of red sky at night, shepherd's delight, so I'll add that in. I might be completely crazy and have to, take the whole lot off, which I very well may do, but I'm just going to try it. So I'm going to just smidge that yellow in. And then I'm going to smidge my colours here to try and create a nice background for myself. Not too worried about the edges at this point because I can always fix them up. So it's kind of wanting it to look like a night sky in the background. So just, bit of imagination. Rightio. I'm going to try and create a wave, but a different way. I'm going to try and see how this combing my wave works. I did say when I did my comb technique the other day that I was going to try a combed wave. So I'm going to try it. See if I can get it. If not, I will try something else. Just go with the flow, give it a go. Rightio. So that's turquoise. That was the black navy. This is metallic copper. And I'll put some of the champagne gold, which is 50% gold, 50% silver. This may very well not turn into anything, but I just had it in my head, so I have to try. What else did I want to put in there? Probably no more red. I think that may be it. Might put a bit of the blue. So I'm going to try and comb this wave in. This is going to be different and probably very difficult. So it's just a hair comb. I used it in a previous pour I just did, and I thought, oh, that may turn into a perfect wave. I'm going to start halfway through it. So I'll go off it there because I've got to try, and I'll put a bit more of the blue in here. Like I said, I'm just going to try it. Ooh. Okay, it's okay. waves have those kind of bits too. Let me come back down with that. I might have to go back the other way with this. Got to work with it. Don't using the comb as your tool this time. Hang on, don't. The colours are just beautiful. I'll bring you down so you can get the... I'm not sure, I mean that is... Okay. Definitely abstract, yes. The effects are so gorgeous with the striations, do they call it, what the comb has made. Not too happy with that yellowy blob there, so I think I'd have to get rid of that somehow. Maybe just to make my sky a little bit, having the yellow tinge is probably enough. I mean, it'd be... I'll bring you down closer instead of turning it around towards my camera. So these are the effect. It does look... My background does kind of make it, give it, you know, some depth, as though definitely the background is behind this abstract combed wave. But look at the effects and the colours in that. That's my dog. See, that's gorgeous. The colours together are just beautiful. Are you telling me it's dinner time, Bindi Boo? Oh, the colours, they're just glistening there because of the metallics in them. Very nice. I think I might have to tag this particular video with my other video I just did with the comb. Maybe put them two together so you can have a look, or two short videos. But it was just something I had in mind. I've definitely done loads of waves with the hairdryer blowing them out, but thought, why not a comb? Why not indeed? You've got to give these ideas a go. They might be the next best thing, or they might be a disaster, but just try it. So much fun. I enjoyed that immensely, and I hope to perfect it. I might put a few kind of birds in the background, which are very easy with a brush, just like a V, like they just look like a black V. But I'll let it dry off first. So hope you enjoyed that, people. Just as something a little bit different, keep you on your toes, give it a go. You might enjoy it. You might get far better results than I have. But so much fun. Okay, bye for now.